I request G. Srinivasa Rao ji, Deputy Director, NRSC-ISRO, to speak inaugural address. Thank you, Sir Ji.
Satheesh Reddy garu. Just now he left after a excellent message to you. And Dr. Kohli ji, Chancellor of Gurunanak University, Dr. Saini ji, and all the dignitaries on the dais, particularly to Naresh Indian, the CEO of this Kalam Institute of Youth Excellence, and the faculty of Gurunanak Institutes. Pranams to you all, and my dear young students and possible scientists. Very good morning to all of you. I think you are all busy with your own discussions. How many of you are using space technology? Just raise your hands. So very few people raised their hands, meaning that you are not aware that you are using space technology. So we are all using space technology. If I want to visit Gurunanak Institute, I use Google Maps. That is only an app. What exactly it uses is the data from the navigational satellites. Where you are, where is Gurunanak Institute, all these things you will know from satellites. And then if you go to ATM to draw money, what ATM does? It contacts the bank through communication satellites. So then only you will get the money there. So you are using that also. If you are hungry, generally we use Swiggy or Zomato. They also use navigational satellite data. If you want to have some function like this, and we do not know whether it is going to rain on that day or not, so weather related, we have weather satellites. So in day-to-day activities, we use satellite data. Now my next question is, how many of you seen Pushpa movie? So we are more cinema oriented rather space oriented. Fine. So it is very difficult to catch Pushpa by normal police. But if they are equipped with space technology, very easily we can find out, and satellites from space, they know where he is cutting the trees. So there are several uses of satellites, and we have many satellites. Whether it is communication satellites or navigational satellites, weather satellites, resource management satellites. So we have plenty of satellites on Earth. We are lucky that India has started very early in space technology, and today we are in a very good place, one of the best in the world. So you are all lucky that your seniors, super seniors, they all have done necessary foundation for you. See, Vikram Sarabhai ji, Abdul Kalam ji, and several other leaders, they have taken India to such a great extent that today we are very comfortably living with so much population. In remote areas, though you are getting everything through cable network earlier, now everything is DTH. Remote area DTH is the only source. Cable TV won't work there because they cannot lay any lines there. So all these facilities, comforts are given by our super seniors. So India has got different capacities, capabilities. For example, Abdul Kalam ji is the person who made India proud in 1980 to keep a satellite in the Earth's orbit. That is the first time India achieved space-faring nation status. So this is how we are leading in the world. And we have PSLV, GSLV, and NGSLV now. You can see all those things in the exhibition. From these, using these launch vehicles, we are keeping satellites of different weights in different orbits, like up to 800 kilometers, up to 36,000 kilometers. But last year, we have achieved another great success, that is landing on moon. You know, before that, we have sent a satellite to moon, then we have sent a satellite to Mars. This is all done with very minimum resources. So ISRO started its journey with bullock carts and bicycles. You are aware? Okay. So we have taken the rockets on a bicycle, satellites on a bullock cart. So entire world look at us as a very, very poor country. Even though we are poor, we started our journey. And today we launch the satellites of advanced countries. They come to us, we launch their satellites. That is the capability of Indian minds. Means we are all Indian minds. So it is possible with minimum resources to do any innovation. That's what chief guest also informed you, that whatever you have within that, if you want to achieve, you have to innovate. That you can do it. So India has grown like that. When we sent a satellite to Mars, entire world was joking on India. So in New York Times, there was a cartoon where they are all like America, Russia and other countries, they are an elite club, and India with a bullock cart knocking their door. But you know, India is the first country in the world, only country in the world which reached Mars orbit in the first attempt itself. US failed, Russia failed, China failed, several other countries failed. But it is India, in the maiden journey itself, we reached Mars, and we have a lot of data about Mars. And several countries, after this Chandrayaan-3 landing on moon, coming to India to have collaborations. Because whatever we do, this Mars mission is less than the cost of Gravity movie. Now you can understand how we are sending. So with very less amount funding, we are able to do that. Now that Government of India wants much more to do. So Government of India has opened its doors for you. Space sector is open. Everybody can participate. You can reach us. You can use our facilities. You can build your satellites, launch vehicles. So already Skyroot, Dhruva and several startups across the country, they are using the services of ISRO, mentorship of ISRO, and then they are launching successfully. So now what we request to become a developed country, you need to innovate and you need to do something unique. So you want to become an employee like me, or you want to become an entrepreneur like Elon Musk. So we expect you to become the next Elon Musk from India. So doors are open. There are several startups available. Funding is available. It is only your knowledge. Discuss with already existing startups. Where are the gaps? You start innovating in that. You as a group of students, you can start that and you can make it big and you can make India proud. Thank you. All the best for you.